A light year, the distance that light travels in 1 year, is 5,900,000,000 miles. Express this number in scientific notation or standard form. And so here we have this huge number. We have 5,900,000,000. And we have to convert this into scientific notation. So we take this, notice that the decimal point is right here, and we're going to move it over. And how many times do we move it over? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And so we actually have here is 5.9 times 10 to the power of positive 12. Now, the reason why it's positive 12 is because we moved over 12 times to the left. That's why we have 10 to the power of positive 12. We have 5.9 here because the decimal point is currently right here. And so that's why we have 5.9. We eliminated all of the zeros. So we have 5.9 times 10 to the power of 12. And this number is definitely in scientific notation. Next, it says that a light year, the distance that light travels in 1 year, is 5,900,000,000 miles. Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to our solar system, is 4.3 light years away. Express this distance in miles in scientific notation. In order to get this answer, we have to take 4.3 and multiply it by the distance that light travels in a year, which is 5.9 times 10 to the power of 12 miles. And so we have to multiply these. We take 4.3 multiplied by 5.9, and 4.3 multiplied by 5.9 is 25.37. Again, 4.3 multiplied by 5.9 is 25.37, and we bring down the 10 to the power of 12. This number right here is 25.37, but this number is too big. In order for us to have this entire number written in scientific notation or standard form, this number right here has to be a real number from 1 to 10, but not including 10. But this number is 25.37, which is definitely over 10. So we have to make this number smaller. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this decimal point and we move it over once to the left. And so what we have here is 2.537 times 10 to the power of 1. Now, the reason why it's positive 1 is because we moved over to the left one time. And so we have 2.537 times 10 to the power of 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 12. Now we have 10 to the power of 1 times 10 to the power of 12. Now, these two terms have the same base, all right? Now, whenever you're dealing with two terms that have the same base and you're multiplying them, you are going to add the powers. And so we have here is 2.537 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 12. And 1 plus 12 is definitely 13. So we have 2.537 multiplied by 10 to the power of 13. And this is our answer. This is our answer to this question in scientific notation.